Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel the art and crafts. Today video is about the decorations I have used in my house. These decorations are really simple like this. You see, this is made up of a disposable paper plate and pistachio shells, and these are the welcome signs written on chart paper as well as on canvas, and these wall hangings made out of paper, and you see very beautifully they are decorated. And most of the decorations you see here are made up of papers, color papers, or else I used newspapers and then color them. So you can see they decorated really nicely. This looks very simple, but when you do it by yourself and decorate your home, you feel so happy. And these are decorating your home very nicely. And I have given the videos of how to make all this in the link above, or else I have given in the description box also. But some of the decorations may not have the video yet, but will be coming soon. And if you want to know specific decorations that you want to make, just let me know in the comment so that I can upload the video of that. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, subscribe to my channel.